Welcome back to Bitcoin Advizers Channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you from Westlake Village, California. We are going to talk about Bitcoin price targets, the potential short squeeze that we're seeing right before our very eyes, and some of this Bitcoin ETF FUD news. I think the situation is more of a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and the event has not happened yet. So we'll talk about that as well. And we'll take a look at Ethereum, okay, and what the potential zone, the next short-term target, and the longer-term target as we did break out of this massive ascending triangle, which is technically 70% likely to break out to the upside, and it breaks when it's 70% full, and that's exactly where it broke. So technically speaking, you know, that $3,200 target is probably not impossible. On the other side of the fence, I'd say, you know, on the other side of the fence, let's take a look at Bitcoin on this higher term time frame. And I drew out this rising channel. I think there's some confluence there, this being the middle zone and this being the top and this being the bottom. And that lines up right up with that 0.5618 target that we've been talking about all year long, that eventually Bitcoin climbs its way up there. You got the 0.5 coming in at 42,000, and you know, shorter term, you know, 39, 40,000. I think definitely by just ticking above that last little wick right there, we should get some action here in the next 5 minutes. The day is going to close and momentum will flip back to the upside above 37,200. So we're going to see the daily momentum flip back to the upside. Don't fight that daily downtrend. That's all what we always say. And that's why we are remaining long at the moment. Let's see on, and you know, to this note, I think the date for the ETF news is supposed to be the 17th. This is when they could or could not all get approved at once. I just saw some news about the Grayscale Trust ETF, some kind of a delayed decision, but I haven't confirmed it as being valid yet. But that could be a little more bearish for Bitcoin. Grayscale, everybody watches that. But at the moment, it doesn't really matter. Short squeeze is potentially in there. I want to check out open interest really quick. This indicator right here. Come on. Not going to give it to me. Oh, come on, sir. Open interest on, yeah, I'm not liking that. That didn't work out. So I guess I'll show that one another day. But I think we covered Bitcoin. Here is the futures market, and CMEs did close up. Volatility is kind of, I mean, we could be amidst a pullback, you know, anywhere down to 38. Completely fine, and pretty much as long as we're closing above this pivot at 37,000, you know, higher lows in the making for the 15-minute time frame. And the daily did close with a little gap up, so it could be a short-term. No, I wouldn't say that's a gap up. That is not a gap up, but what I wanted to see was more on spot price, and I guess I'll just go over really quick a couple other trade setups we were looking at. One was Curve, and you know, would love to see this one pull back out. Gosh, I got to get these indicators off here. Wow. So deviated below the bottom side of the range and completing a W formation. This would be our first target at about 80 cents. Any pullbacks, I would look as opportunities at this point. What else did I want to bring up? So that was that one. You can see DOT kind of doing the same thing, reclaimed the purple 200 on the daily, made a higher low. And heading up towards the green 55, we talked about this one, potential for more at 747. I think, and these are the notables that have low volatility expansion, right? Most of them have already taken off. AVAX, let's see where it's now. It's expanded way up here. So, you know, might be a little late to the party on that one. And Beneke, we talked about just the other day, being part of the Avalanche ecosystem, you know, as the honeybees were at Solana, and they're still there apparently. Solana's been just ripping to the upside as well. Looks like, you know, heading for some of those upside targets. Wow. Parabolic blow off top from this little tiny range right here. So we hit the 4236 off this expansion. That's pretty powerful on the weekly time frame. So, you know, that was not a buy the rumor, sell the news. That was buy, and buy some more. The next one that's going to be receiving benefit, I think, from some of the Ethereum upgrade coming, just the ecosystem just kind of generally exploding. You can see this W would send you up to 268 for optimism. Yeah, wish life was just that easy. On the other side here, we've got last one I'm going to bring up that's getting a lot of attention right now. Check out DYDX after a long consolidation range, very similar to Link, right? This one looks like it's breaking out for, you know, a shot at least. It probably already hit the 618 if you look. Oh, see, breaking the, what is this tool? Not what I wanted, sir. So we're at the 0.5 right now. The 618 would be the next level up. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like, and be back next time for another show. Have a blessed one, guys. Take care.